What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is if you have a Nest Hub Max and you like video conferencing and you like Zoom, you know, like the Zoom app that you would use to do these giant video conferences for mostly for like business type atmospheres. Well, it's going to be compatible with the Nest Hub Max. Come later this year, you'll be able to do Zoom calls directly. Google has officially come out and said that it will work with that app, and this is great for group calls. It says you can put your VIPs on speed dial, communicate around the house with ease. Kind of surprising in a way. I mean, it's not out of the realm of possibility thinking that this would happen, but it's kind of surprising. Duo was the only video chat app on there, but now they added Zoom, or they're gonna be adding Zoom, so this is great news. Next up, if you're a Blackberry fan, guess what? There's another Blackberry phone, a new one, coming out in the first half of 2021. Now, it will be a 5G Blackberry phone with Android and a physical keyboard. And again, like I said, it will arrive in the first half of 2021. It will be made by Onward Mobility and Foxconn. And we should know more about it as time goes on. I would assume exactly what specs and everything else about the phone. You would expect it to be somewhat of a budget device. I don't think this phone's gonna be $1,000. I would expect it to probably be in the $500 to $700 range. It's probably gonna be a mid-range device, I would expect. I bet you'll have like the Snapdragon 765G, something like that. But yeah, this is exciting times. If you're a Blackberry fan, I know one of my buddies who does a lot of Blackberry videos, Tech Odyssey, check out his channel. He actually covered this as well. He's very, very excited. So this is great news for people that love Blackberries. And guess what? You're getting a 5G phone with a keyboard. Crazy times. So if you're curious what the name of the successor to the Galaxy S20 Ultra is going to be, maybe it'll be the S21 Ultra, S30 Ultra, or something else. Well, it looks like Ice Universe has put out a tweet telling us that it's going to be called the Galaxy S21. Obviously, if it's an Ultra, it'll probably have Ultra at the end, but ultimately Galaxy S21. And he also put out another tweet talking about the Galaxy S21 Ultra. He said it'll have a 108 megapixel camera again, but the sensor is going to be the successor to the HM1. So you will have a updated camera experience with the S21. Obviously, you would think, just like they did with the Note 20 Ultra, that they'll improve, get rid of the autofocusing issues, up close, low light issues, autofocusing with the camera on the S21 Ultra. All this is amazing. All of this is gonna be good overall, but you know, what does it need? What does the S21 Ultra need for you to upgrade from the S20 Ultra if you didn't get the Note 20 Ultra? Let me know in the comments down below. And the last story of the day is an actual TikTok video of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 in hand, and they go through some quick things on there. It's literally a 15-second video, so it's kind of hard to distinguish what's going on there unless you slow it down. But ultimately, it shows off the Z Fold 2 in hand in action, and it looks beautiful. We've seen something similar to this before. It's going to be an expensive device, we believe. We should know more about this on September 1st. And you can see, you can also, if you slow down one of these clips, you can see you can switch from 60 to 120 hertz on that display. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, when you've got your S20, your Note 20, and obviously any other phone that Samsung puts out or device that has 120 hertz, or any other phone that's 120 hertz, do you turn it on or you keep it at 60 to conserve battery? Let me know in the comments down below. I set mine to the full HD plus 120 hertz. I like it, I'm used to it at this point, so I'm gonna continue doing it. Let me know about you guys in the comments down below. And also, at the end of this video, I will put up fan photos holding their Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultras. So make sure you watch until the very, very end. I'll see you down the road. Peace.